eating on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Yep. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys eating on the bed. Next page. 3 silly monkeys swinging on the bed. Look at them all. Look at them swinging. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys swinging on the bed. 2 silly monkeys sliding on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys sliding on the bed. What do we got left? How many monkeys do we have left? Let's count. 1 silly monkey spinning on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys spinning on the bed. But nobody mentioned anything about jumping on the couch. Oh, look at those silly monkeys. Oh my goodness. Let's do one more from, let's go back to one from here.
Tap, tap, tap. Do, do, do.
Nope, not that one. Oh, here we go. The children on the bus make too much noise. Too much noise. Too much noise. Children on the bus make too much noise all day long. The babies on the bus fall fast asleep. Fast asleep. Fast asleep. The babies on the bus fall fast asleep all day long. Want to do this little piggy? This little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef. This little piggy had none. And this little piggy went, wee, 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 oh, well. Oh, well. No.
What did the doctor say? Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said...